Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix no notification sound on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration and click on do not disturb. Make sure turn off do not disturb. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on notifications and allow notification. After allow notification, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on system and click on reset option and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so last solution is software update. Go to app library, click on settings and click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.